Hey everybody, welcome to week 6. We have a light week, but there is one assignment that you will be working on all week. So let's go ahead and get started and I can show you what's what. Alright, so this week we have no classes on Monday because it's President's Day, so there's no assignments on Monday. On Tuesday you're going to start out with a voice thread. This voice thread is going to be an introduction to our next unit, Unit 2, which is going to be articulating the main idea. This is a KWL activity, which means know, want to know, and learned. And I'm going to be taking you through this strategy, which you can use with any assignment, really, in any class. But I'm going to be taking you through that strategy in this voice thread. And we are going to be talking about main idea, and we are going to be going through a lot of the lecture about this, but there's a lot of interaction. So just a little reminder, you are required to answer the questions I ask in a comment when I ask you to comment. And I'm very clear about that. I'll say, leave a comment on this page. Then you must leave a comment on that page in order to receive credit for that page. I do look at every page. I do keep track of comments, and that is how you get credit for the assignment. So make sure you're doing that. This is the big assignment that's going to be you're going to be working on all week. It is not due until Friday at 8 a.m. So I will be explaining that as we go, but you are going to be doing one study read assignment, and you're going to pretend like chapters 2, 3, and 4 are one big chapter. So you're going to be doing one study reading assignment, but you're going to be doing it with all 3 chapters. And I go over how to do that in the voice thread. I go over it very clearly and very detailed in the voice thread. So make sure that you're paying close attention and taking good notes about that. All right, so on Tuesday, you'll be doing this voice thread, main idea KWL. This is going to take you a little bit of time. It's a longer voice thread, so you might have to take a break and come back to it, get a snack or whatever. This is going to be a little bit longer than usual. And then you will be starting on your study reading for chapters 2, 3, and 4, squishing them all together into like one great big chapter. And then you're going to be doing that, okay? Wednesday, you have another voice thread. This voice thread is on note-taking. It goes hand in hand with this voice thread, okay? This is just like part 2, note-taking. This is how you organize your notes. This is going to be your instruction on how to outline, how to summarize. This is what you've been waiting for, okay? So, after Wednesday, of course, you are going to continue to work on your study reading, chapters 2, 3, and 4. I have the page numbers and everything in your voice thread on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, it will give you all the page numbers and we'll go over everything in this voice thread. So it's very important that you take good notes so you know exactly what you're doing for this assignment. Okay, so you'll have 2 voice threads this week and a study reading assignment that will be due in the assignment folder on Friday morning at 8 o'clock, as you can see here, Friday at 8 o'clock. So you're going to have a couple of days to be working on this kind of longer assignment, which is nice, and then the other 2 things that you have to do are 2 voice threads. So it doesn't seem really heavy to me. It might take you a little bit of time because this voice thread for sure is a little bit longer than you're used to. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you in class on Tuesday.